Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you in detail. One way to increase likes, increase comments on Instagram. Then first you go to this InstaMKT software. This is software that supports you can be the manager and grow a lot of Instagram accounts in large numbers. I added a few of my Instagram accounts to support the demo. Guide you to use the software. Here you will enter the viral marketing section. Next you go to the seeding post. Here you will have a part. Enter the list of posts you want to seeding. You want to increase comments. I'll get a sample article here. I have a clone Instagram account. Then I'll find the articles I want. Increase like comment. Then I got the link. Here I will link a few articles to guide you. I will be seeding about 3 demos for you. Let you imagine, I will be seeding the whole article with the real video. After you add the link, you set up the configuration. Here's the first one to configure this stream number. Then I'll run 12 threads depending on your machine configuration. Next, you will select watch this video. Like post and comment post. In this comment section, you will directly enter the content of the comment. Go to the link here. Here, I have already entered a few comments. Support you to implement seeding for your posts already. And then you save it. Finally, select your account and click Start. Now let's follow along. The software will help you increase the number of views. How effectively automated is it? Thank you, and if you are interested in the software you want to deploy, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.